Hello everyone. Today was a very exciting day. The scorching sun could not mar my enthusiasm and neither could the filth on the ghats. Why? Because I came on a fantastic river cruise and I met a group of lovely ladies. So let's hear from Sonal how this cruise felt.
I was extremely surprised because I had not expected the cruise would be so nice. It was a pleasant surprise for me, and of course, connecting with wonderful ladies made me really, really happy.
So, as you can see, thank you, Sonal, for sharing that. You know, a lot of times we always do the expected things, but when we just get out of our comfort zone, we are pleasantly surprised. Here I have Shraddha next to me. Shraddha, how was this trip for you?
So as you said, Pragati, it truly was a pleasant surprise. Really refreshing in the midst of all the COVID fear that has been, haunting us, and just to hang with a group of women, like-minded ladies, just unwinding, chilling, and a great spirit, of course, with the flow vibe. We packed in with a lot of activities. We played some fun games. The highlight for me has really been the music session that we had last night. The weather was perfect. It was breezy, and we were all just singing along. So that was amazing.
True. I tell you, singing and dancing with abandon is something which brings out the primal goddess inside each one of us. Now I have
Absolutely.
Sunira with me. Sunira, what about you? You've organized this fantastic trip and I think we've all really had a great time.
So for me, the entire year because of COVID, we've had like all online events, and I really needed to bond with everyone. It was even more meaningful because it was not like an event that we came for an hour or 2 hours, but we really spent the 1.5, 2 days together, bonding, and believe you me, we made every minute count.
True, and that was so well put, Sunira, because bonding is something that we all look for. Often we only look for bonding with our loved ones, with our friends, with our children. While they are there for us, we all need that bit of pizzazz to add excitement in life. So I love bonding with new people, and Sunira, what you rightly said, it's just been an amazing experience. What about you, Shraddha?
Yes, talking about bonding, I think we've all become such unsocial people in this last 1 year. It's been like we've all been happy home, and we've just not connected with anyone. So I think just being here in this space where we are kind of confined to the cruise, which has been so beautiful and honestly so unexpected that something like this in Calcutta was there, and it was not even like known to all of us. And just being together and doing things together, eating, drinking, which actually has been like something which none of us have done so frequently in the last 1 year. I think simple pleasures are just what make every moment special. So it's
I
been beautiful.
love that. I loved what you said. That's something that we have never ever done before. We think of exotic holidays where you have to go out of the company, of the country, or out of our comfort zone to try something new. But we forget that, something new and exciting is waiting just around the corner or on a boat. So what is it that you loved, Ritika, about this trip?
It has been the most amazing trip. I thought I would be, not giving my best because the last full year we haven't done much, and I thought I would be like, exhausted doing little. But in this 1.5 days, we've done almost everything that one could have thought of doing in a whole year.
Yeah.
We've danced, sang our lungs out, stayed awake, late nights, friends, just everything. Just so grateful.
True.
And the spiritual moment last evening was the most awesome experience. The Om chanting, the Deepak flowing on the Ganges, it was just awesome. Thank you. Can't
Yeah.
thank everybody.
Yes, and your excitement is absolutely infectious. You can see that spirituality, that fun, bonhomie, and we always think you need to go on separate trips or, take out separate moments to do these things. But actually, we can put it all together and have a great time. What about you, Shraddha? What did you enjoy doing?
So for me also, I think the highlight of the trip was the spiritual journey, the diyas. I think the Om chanting was, you just felt as if something which is unreal, and it was like a completely outstanding experience. Everything mixing with a new set of people, the music, food, drinks, the entire vibe and energy has been absolutely wonderful.
So true. And Shraddha, that was like so much fun, you know, because what happens is we always think that compartmentalize your life. Have fun with a separate set of people, go for spirituality with a separate set of people. If you have a hobby like music or something, explore it with other people. But when you just do it with a group with perhaps you've never interacted with, life feels completely beautiful. What about you, Ritu? You've been one of the spearheads behind this whole trip. So tell me, how has this been for you?
So it's been great fun organizing it. So when I first visited the ship to explore it, I was so excited that something like this was so nearby, yet we didn't know about it. And for me, the highlight of the trip was, apart from whatever everyone's spoken of, was the fact that we docked at night on an uninhabited island, and they set it up with mashal and bonfire and with the local bowl singers, and all of us just sitting around dancing and enjoying ourselves. That was really exciting.
Yes. So thank you everyone for sharing, and life and its experiences are just for you, right out there to grab it. So don't wait for a perfect partner, a perfect holiday destination or perfect plans. Just go with the flow, and absolutely the universe gives you what you desire, whether it's spirituality, excitement or just bonding. Bye and have a great
Three cheers to
everybody.
everybody.
Bye.
And all of us.
Hip hip hooray!